guys, welcome to my first ever styling video. My name is Arya and I'm based in the UK. So this video is all about the spring summer basics and how you can take one outfit and create multiple outfits from day to evening. The first outfit I've worn here is a very basic but a staple outfit, a white top and blue jeans. This is really a wardrobe staple for everyone. This outfit is never out of fashion and always a good idea for a spring summer casual and basic outfit. You can pair this with both trainers in the daytime, with a trench coat or a denim jacket for a casual look, and you can also pair this with mules or strappy sandals with black or white blazer for an evening look. In this video I have paired it with white or more off-white kind of blazer. Second outfit is a trouser and a nice top. I have paired it with a peachy off-shoulder top with a brown trouser. Trousers are really great substitute for jeans. It upgrades your look and make you look more chic, and it can be worn from day to evening. For the third outfit I have paired the same brown trousers with a nice white top to give it a more smart look. This can be a great option if you are working in an office and you are looking to upgrade your office outfit. I have worn this with both sandals and trainers in this video just to show you how versatile a trouser can be. For the fourth outfit I have kept the same white top and paired it with a classic black jeans, which is another wardrobe staple for everyone. This look is one of my favorite as I love neutrals and monochromatic look. Again I have paired it with strappy sandals. You can also wear that with white sneakers for more casual and comfy looks. For the fifth outfit, I have kept the same flare jeans but paired it with a blue shirt. Shirts are literally my favorite, and particularly this one as it has lovely details with pearl buttons. Blue shirts are also another wardrobe staple which can be worn both casually and in a smart way. I have again paired it with the black flared trousers. If you prefer skinny or straight jeans, then you can also pair that with it. The sixth outfit I have again mix-maxed this previous outfit, which is a blue shirt and the brown trousers, and also paired it with the strappy sandals. I love this color combination. It is very vibrant and gives that spring summer vibes. And last but not the least, the seventh outfit is a dress. How can a spring summer look be complete without a dress? This lovely dark pink dress is perfect for a daytime summer look. Again, I have paired it with the same strappy sandals. I have paired everything with just 2 pairs of shoes, white trainers and white strappy sandals. I hope it was useful to all of you. If you loved this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button on YouTube. You can also visit my Instagram. My handle is instaglam_lifestyle. I will be coming up with more fashion and lifestyle videos, so stay tuned. Bye!